In this video, let's talk about the vertical horizontal filter. This indicator comes to help the traders with the clarity of the trend, comes to help identifying trending market conditions and potential ranging market conditions. The way that this indicator works is the calculation over a given period, the overall price range, the highest and the lowest price range within the given period, and comparing that to the summary, the total of the price range, usually within the same period, and make the division between them, and that's what you get the result. And the idea of this indicator is to help identify when it is a very trending market, when it is going into a ranging market, and when it is in some sort of moderation. Okay? Where do we find this indicator? We go to the indicator section, oscillators, and the second from the bottom, the vertical horizontal filter. By default, that's the number. Some traders love that long cycle as 28, but that's by default. And I love to add the levels, what the levels you see here on my chart. I love to add the levels of 1.5, especially for very trending conditions. And when the conditions are a bit slower, usually traders go with 0, 3, and 15. Okay, but again, depends on all the market conditions. Very common numbers again are 1.5. So let's start with that, and I will show you how it works. And to make it even more visual and visible and easier, I made a green and a red line, which you can control in the settings here, levels, and of course the color. Choose your style of the line, everything. Okay, very convenient, very useful. Let's take a look on the gold and also then a forex pairs, where you will see the difference between the numbers. So the idea here is when the VHF, the vertical horizontal filter, is climbing up, is rising, we are in a strong market conditions, trending market conditions, and we should be looking for buys. When it drops below 0.5, we are entering a weakening market conditions, which means we could enter a selling phase or ranging market conditions before the market will decide when it's time for the next trend. Now, like many other oscillators, this is a lagging indicator as well, which means it relies on a given data. When the data is a done deal, then the indicator makes its calculation, which means the indicator is lagging and could create in low volatility false signals. This is why traders love combine that with other indicators, training indicators, or even indicators like the RSI to identify strong momentum and strong strength of the market, right? The relative strength of the market. These are the very popular combinations. This indicator also helps traders with stop losses because in very trending markets, the ranges are bigger, which means it will require bigger stop losses. But in a weak market phases or ranging market phases, the volatility is lower, which means the protection levels could be smaller as well. And one of the best ways I personally like to look at this indicator to receive some indication where the market is after ranging phases, look when the next climb above the level of 1 happens. That indicates a strong momentum and a good opportunity for the rally, like happens here, for example, after a long range, and when the market is, as you can see on the indicator, below the level of 1.5 weak conditions, then it straightforward climbs out of the range, climbs above the level of 1, and provides strong signals to the upside. Now, If we look at other instruments like pound dollar, for example, then the level of 1.5 could be too much for these given trends. So very common levels are 0.15 and 0.3. Okay, and the idea here is absolutely the same. I just messed the colors. The green, of course, 0.3. And this one is 0.15 because we're talking about bullish and bearish. Green is bullish, red is bearish. And the idea is absolutely the same, like with wider, broader ranges. When we climb above, where we are above 0.3, usually we are in strong trending market conditions. And when the indicator drops below 0.15, we are in weakening market conditions, which could hint either we enter a sell-off or we enter some ranging conditions. And this is how this indicator helps the traders. Make sure you follow this channel for more trading insights.